Hey guys, and welcome to How To. Today we're going to go over how to unhide rows in Excel. Let's get started. When a row is hidden in Excel, it'll look something like this. You'll see a double line and a skipped order of numbers. For example, instead of 1, 2, 3, we have 1, 2, 5. So it looks like our row 3 and 4 are hidden. Once you've identified your hidden rows, you can unhide them by clicking and dragging with your left mouse button on a row above the hidden rows to a row below your hidden rows. Remember, you can only select an entire row by clicking the number of the row on the far left. Once you have your row selected, right-click on your mouse in the selected area and choose Unhide at the very bottom. And there you go. Rows 3 and 4 are now unhidden. Great job. And now, a bonus tip. If you want to unhide multiple groups of hidden rows in the same document, all you have to do is select the top left-hand corner where the numbered rows and the lettered columns meet. This will highlight the entire sheet, and from there you can simply right-click and select Unhide again. And as you can see, this will unhide all of the hidden rows in your sheet. Hey guys, I hope this was helpful. Feel free to comment below with any sort of questions or suggestions you might have, and in the meantime, here's 2 more videos we think you'll like.